It is raining balls here at Annie's. It's beautiful. It's amazing how this badass rain is coming out of so much blue sky. And the pool's about overflowing too. And I have a leak at my house right over my bed, and I came home, my pillow was soaked. Love you, Britt. Bye.